Here comes another load of gravel, and then after that the rest is all going to be pea gravel for the top layer. As you can see over here, still getting that all worked out over there. You know, flattened out, graded, and then we got over here nothing too exciting, but just like to have it for start to finish purposes, that type of thing. I remember when I was a little kid, we were doing construction in the neighborhood. Used to love watching the dump trucks. And we got 2 more loads after this. Started coming at 7:30 a.m. It looks like each load has been bigger than the last. It's kind of crazy. Whatever. Paid $2,000 for all this stuff, so better get a lot. So we'll see. So maybe in, I'm not sure what time it is. Still gotta be early yet, right? Oh, 10:30. I got out here at 7 o'clock this morning, so making a lot of progress today. And hopefully have this all ready to go with raised beds. And there we go. Now she's going to grab another load for me. 2 loads. Look at all the trees are in full bloom, and there's berries and currants. Everything is already starting to fruit. Look at the fruit all over this one. I believe this one might be a cherry tree, but I cannot be 100% positive. Someone can correct me if I'm wrong. And this here looks like currants. I could be wrong. Something. And then a couple of these trees were unknown in the design, so I'm not sure exactly what everything is. I'm gonna kind of figure it out. But they're all fruiting, they're all flowering, and they're gonna fruit really soon. Yeah, this one's already starting to fruit. Yeah, we're looking all right. And if you see, there's a cat and not a bobcat like in the beginning of the morning, because the one we had here, the hydraulic hose broke, and just so happened the rental place was not far away from here at all, and they had a new loader here within 30 minutes, so that's pretty damn great customer service if you ask me. Yeah, here we go. We're getting this flattened out. It's all coming together, baby. Grow food, not lawns, my friends. And I'll be back with another update later.